35 Plus focuses on new technologies, such as augmented and virtual reality, which can be used for marketing purposes and the optimization of business production processes. 35 Plus is part of the 35 Image Mix family, a company specializing in the creation of corporate videos, industrial films and commercials. One of its departments focuses specifically on 3D rendering and graphic animation. This new business division is the result of the need to generate wow factor using new technologies and evolution of traditional communication tools such as video and 3D rendering. We're, therefore, solution creators for creative marketing actions. Augmented and virtual reality apps can be featured in trade show environments, allowing users to showcase their installations without physically bringing them to the trade show, resulting in a significant reduction in costs. You can create digital catalogs with wow factor. In a single app, you can present the entire product catalog, as well as insert images, videos, and technical documents. Maintenance of industrial plants can be optimized by using specific devices. New technologies make it possible to simplify and facilitate corporate training. New tools for the architecture and real estate industries to increase sales conversion rates. Creating wow solutions for your events.